Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you changing some of the more universal settings on the General tab. The General tab is the first tab in the Excel options dialog box. When you go to File menu, this tab is automatically selected whenever you first open this dialog box by choosing File menu, then Option, and you can see General option for working with Excel. And the options on the General tab are arranged into three groups. Number 1, User Interface Options, and number 2, when creating new workbooks, and number 3 is personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. These three groups now show mini toolbar on selection. So what is show mini toolbar on selection? Disable or re-enables the display of the mini toolbar. You can enable and disable, which contains essential formatting buttons from the Home tab, above cell selection or other object shortcut menu when you right click it, and show quick analysis options on selection. You can disables or re-enables this section and the appearance of the new quick access toolbar in the lower right corner of a cell selection. The quick analysis toolbar contains options for applying formatting to the selection as well as creating new charts and pivot tables using its data. Then enable live preview. So what is enable live preview? Disable or re-enables the live preview feature, whereby Excel previews the data in the current cell selection using the font or a style you highlight in a drop-down list or gallery before you actually apply the formatting. Then screen tip style. So it is screen tips style changes the way screen tip are displayed on screen. Select don't show feature descriptions on script tips from the screen tip style drop down list to display a minimum amount of description in the screen tip and eliminate all links to online help, or select don't show screen tips to completely remove the display of screen tips from the screen. Then use this as the default font. So use this as the default font. Select a new default font. You can see select a new default font to use in all cells of new worksheets by entering the font name in the combo box or selecting its name by clicking the drop down list. You can see there are many fonts, so I can select by name Times New Roman, and this font is select use this the default font. So Times New Roman is the default font in this worksheet, and font size I am giving 12. And default view of new sheets, normal view, and include these many sheets on. So include these many sheets, increase or decrease the default number of worksheets in each new worksheet, on being the default, by entering a number between 2 and 225 225, or sheet this new member number by clicking the spinning buttons. Maximum you can use there 225. You can see $255 is the maximum number. Then personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. See, what is username? This text box enables you to change the username that's used as the default author for new workbooks created with Excel 2013. So take, this is the username. Always use these values regarding the sign in to Office. I'm select share. Then Office background. So Office background, no background, calligraphy, circle strips, circuit, cloud, spring, star, straw, tree rings, underwater. So what is Office background? This drop down list enables you to change the faint background pattern that appears on the right side of the Excel title bar above the ribbon. By default, the clouds pattern appears as the background. To change this background pattern, select its name from the Office background buttons drop down list. To display no pattern in this Office background buttons drop down list, to display no pattern in this area of the title bar, you select the none option from this drop down list. You can see there is a no background. So Office theme. So Office theme, this drop down list enables you to select between three different tint options: dark gray, light gray, and white, that are applied to the borders of Excel screen, creating a kind of background color for the ribbon tabs, column, letter, and row number indicators on the worksheet frame, and the status bar. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for new video updates.